Hi, my name is Paisley and I'm the IPC intern.
And I'm Brian, the Tech Service Manager.
And today we are thrilled to be filming the Service Spotlight video on water flow and airflow at IPC. To begin, why are water flow and airflow crucial to floor care?
They're actually the two most important parts. To scrub a floor, we need to have water on the floor. And once you've scrubbed, you need to recover it, and we use our airflow to recover.
So can you tell us how IPC uses water flow in our machines?
Yeah, so for scrubbers, we have to get the water from our solution tank onto the floor. And to do that, we're going to want to filter it first to make sure that we don't have any debris. Ultimately, we'll run it through some sort of control device because you have to be able to control how much water you get down. And then we direct it out to the brushes.
Brian, how do we ensure water flow?
You're going to want to make sure that you use the correct solution. You don't want too much, that can gum it up. You want to make sure that you're using clean water. You don't want to have a lot of well water with a lot of dirty contaminants in it. You're going to need to maintain it, so you will have to clean your filters out. All of our filters are removable to clean. And then you're going to want to make sure that you select the appropriate flow for the floor you're cleaning.
All right, next question is how do you clean the filters that you just mentioned?
You're going to want to turn off the tap. We have a shutoff for most of our machines. If not, you have to drain the solution tank. And then from there, you're going to remove the filter housing and clean out the filter, take it to a sink, some warm water, get everything rinsed off of it, and then reassemble, make sure that everything's hand tight. You don't want to over tighten because you can crack the plastic.
Okay. My next question is, how is airflow used in our machines at IPC?
Airflow is going to be crucial for drying the floor after we've scrubbed. If we don't have airflow, we have no way to pull the water up off the floor. So we need to make sure that we don't have any leaks, everything is sealed up tight, and our filters are in place and clean.
So what are the other parts of the IP machines that need airflow?
So things that control airflow are going to be your squeegee blades, your squeegee body, the hose that connects the squeegee to the machine. Your recovery tank lid will have a gasket, and then obviously the recovery tank in and of itself. So anything that has damage, missing parts, or something not hooked up would let extra air in that would cause it to not dry the floor properly.
And finally, can you tell us about the airflow in our vacuum sweepers since they're different from our scrubbers?
Yeah, so our vacuum sweeper line uses vacuum to control dust, so that would be our biggest benefit. You still have a lot of the same concepts. We need to make sure our filters are clean, we need to make sure all of our seals are in place, and that there's no damage.
So, in summary, what we've learned here today is water flow allows our scrubbers to clean our floors, airflow allows our scrubbers to pick up that water that we just used to clean the floors, and in addition, our vacuum sweepers use the airflow to vacuum just different surfaces. Anything else you'd like to add, Brian?
Nope, sounds like you got it pretty good. If anyone has any questions, feel free to contact IPC. Our technical service department will be happy to help.